What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Moonwell, which is up a whopping 15.7% at 5.9 cents. Very small market cap of only under 85 million. We have 3.1 billion coins in circulation out of 5, and the all-time high was 2 years ago at 29 cents. All-time low was also 2 years ago. So Moonwell is actually, let's see, I think it's available on quite a few exchanges yet. Well, you got 2 different pages. It's not available on a ton, but if you want it, it's here. I mean, it's available on Coinbase, Giteo, KuCoin, Airdrome. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on Well. All right, everybody, let's get into Well here. So this is what we had drawn last time. I don't remember the last time I charted it. I had a green box right here for some reason. It does look like we bounced off that, but now what we're seeing is we're seeing some movement after this slight downtrend that we've been experiencing. Now in crypto, M's are bearish and W's are bullish, and I think we just completed our M-shaped pattern right here. So hopefully we're ready to rock and roll the upside, but we're not going to base it off of letters. We're going to base it off technicals, and technicals are kind of backing that movement up. What I mean by that is if you look at the MACD, we've been losing our bearish momentum since the 23rd of December. That means every day since the 23rd of December, we've been less and less bearish and more bullish. On top of that, the RSI does seem to have a nice V-shaped bottom right here, starting to work its way back up. We're not technically bullish on the RSI yet because that is a lower low. I'd be keeping an eye on something like this. Hopefully we put in a higher high. And what I mean by that is there is a downtrend resistance area, which in the short term, guys, you do have a lot of room to run up there, which does lead me to believe that the price action for Moonwell will continue to go to the upside here, at least in the short term. And same with the this actually looks good. WTX actually looks like we put in a double bottom right here. So that's actually bullish. So like I said, in crypto, M's are bearish, double tops, and then double bottoms are W's. W's are bullish. So that's a bullish movement right there. That's a bullish bottom right there in the WTX, guys, for Moonwell. Now, if we look at Moonwell right now, we're going to focus just on this area right here. I don't care what's happened in the past. We want to focus on what's going on right now. So what's going on right now, if we actually, I think this is the correct fib. Yeah, this is the correct fib right here. What's going on right now is we're bouncing off the 618. The 618 is our double bottom support. So my personal opinion, the double bottom is in on Moonwell, and we can start rallying to the upside. Our next main resistance area for Moonwell is approximately 7.2 cents. So I think in the meantime, this run that we're currently experiencing is going to be going up to about 7 cents. We're at 5.9. I think we're going to be flirting with 7.2 cents. Before we run into any major resistance area. Now, if we draw the micro fib from this high to this low, similar situation, we do have a micro resistance area coming in play here at the 236 at approximately 6 cents. So that's current next resistance area. Then after that, you know, it's 7 cents. So I'll focus on 6 cents. We get over that 7 cents. And then obviously you have your downtrend resistance area to focus on. A lot of different areas to focus on, which brings you up to the 1618. So hypothetically, this run that we're currently starting right now could top out at about 8 cents. And then we'll reassess the situation once we get up to this general area right here. Because if you break that, that's when the next leg will begin. But in the meantime, I'd be focusing on the 7 cents resistance area. Then you break above 7, we'll start talking about the 618. Now in the long term, you know, a 10x from here is only a $1.8 billion market cap, which is extremely easy to do in crypto, guys. A $1.8 billion during the hype of the bull run, super, super easy to obtain. And with that being said, if we actually draw from the high to the low right here, there is a 90, you know, that was the all-time high when it first came out, was 98 cents. That leads me to believe like a 10x from here is 1.8 billion, which would bring you up to around 50 cents, right? 50 cents would bring you right above the 786 here, right up in this general range. So I think that's definitely possible, 50 cents to $1 for this coin, this bull run. Now, obviously, the all-time high price right here, they put more coins in circulation since the coin came out, so we're going to ignore that. But I wouldn't be shocked at all if we flirted with a 50 cents top to a possible dollar, 50 cents to $1 top here for the bull run. I wouldn't be surprised in the least if that happened. And if you actually draw this uptrend, it actually kind of confirms that, you know, the end of 2025 is pretty much when the bull run is going to be over, guys. So we have 1 year to make our money here. So we have a whole year of more bullish movement than bearish movement starting to take place. So 50 cents to $1 is what I'm going to call here for the bull run top for this coin. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.